How to delete your Facebook account on PC. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now what you want to do is make sure that you are logged into your account. Then click on this arrow and go to settings and privacy. Then here go to settings. And then what you're going to do is go to your Facebook information. Then here you can see deactivation and deletion. So click on view. And here you can either deactivate your account or delete your account permanently. And yeah, so you can choose either one of these two and then fill in your password, give a reason why you want to delete your account, and then you can delete your account just like that. I'm not going to fully show how to do it though, because I don't want to delete my account. So maybe I would delete it on accident or something. So yeah, but this is basically how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.